Baby. This morning, bit of an interesting morning, kind of tricky. I traded SUNW, SUNW. That was the hot one yesterday, and made a couple trades on POLA. And then NETE went from $7 up there to $17. I'm going to show you guys the trades, the entries, the exits, and locking down $900 in profit today. $900 in profit. And it's only 9 o'clock in the morning, and now I'm done, and I'm walking out, and I got things I got to do. So, let's go! Got this stock here, POLA. Looking like it might want to get going here. See what happens over $4. Look at that seller stacking up there, $4 right there. And a little pop here, looking for push up 420 area. Took a little bit there at 19. Up in the fours, 25. Take it there at 25, 27. I think I filled 25, yeah. So 25 there on POLA. That's going to help us out a little bit. Working back to getting green. Currently down $90. So let's see what happens here. Looks like SUNW as well starting to pop up here. See if we can get above that 580s. POLA does have a smaller float than SUNW. SUNW has 16 million shares in the float. POLA has 4.7 million shares. So that could lead to POLA being the bigger mover, or in terms of giving us opportunities here. We'll see what happens. We got a high so far pre-market at the 560 area. Watching it, see what's happening right now at this area. Jumping back in there for the break back over 430. Looking for a 440 area to break through. Taking a little bit there at 435 just to lock it down. Looking for the rest. Getting out there at 435. Looking a little weak there, not breaking through. Now we're green on the day. $33. Let's see if we can keep this going. Stay alive here. Read there, not breaking through that 437 high. Sold there at 435. Might need a bit more of a pullback, maybe to the $4 area here. There it is, up there to 440 now. 450 coming up. Looks like POLA is going to be the mover right now. SUNW just not getting the action that we're looking for. So POLA looking like she wants to go here. Want more of a pullback, though, to be honest with you. Looking for maybe get a break over 450 here. $448, looking for that break over 450 here. Just getting out there at 449. Too much resistance right there. Now, see if it tries it again. Jump one more time, 449. Looking for this break over 450 here. There we go, over 450. Just really slow right there. Taking it again. Not really doing it for us right now. Not going. I should have spiked from 450 to the 460 area really quickly just to kind of break through that resistance, but kind of looking slow there. So playing it safe right now. Definitely a little overextended, so probably wait for a bit of a pullback. There's that pullback. The fake out over that 450 break. You can see the high of that candle, 455. I got out there at 452. See if we get a dip down here, $4 area would be nice. See if this pushes back up, makes a new high on this 1 minute candle. So we're going to get a squeeze here over 440. Seller stacking up there, fake out. Give it a chance to bounce again. See if they can take out that 35 seller there. There we go, back. Looking for that push up to the 450s. Taking a little bit there at 444 just to lock some down. Again, looking slow right here. I'm going to take it there, just not run and go again. God, I think over 450 would be, get the party started again. High of that candle, 446, so over 450, looking to buy. Looking for the push over 450 here. I can see 460s. 455. Trying to push up there. There we go, 53s. Taking a little bit there at 53 just to... Having a lot of trouble here. Not wanting to push through. I'll take it there at 52. Just not wanting to go again. And there she goes. Oh. Just does not want to push through right now. So kind of just consolidating. I think it's going to be similar to yesterday with the SPI move. We kind of just consolidated for about an hour pre-market on SPI. So POLA bouncing there off the $4 area, off the VWAP beautifully. Look at that bounce back from $4 all the way up there to $4.44. So they came in. The short sellers covered quickly there, a little squeeze. Let's see what happens at this point. I'm kind of just sitting back waiting to let this thing kind of figure out which way it wants to go. I know there's still going to be a big move. I don't need to be the first person to buy it at this point. I still think we just got to kind of wait for it to get over that 460 area. Wait for that action to come in there and just scream. Just say, hey, you got to buy it now. I've also got SUNW moving as well, SUNW. And I'm, same thing, kind of watching this 580 area here on SUNW, getting above that 580 for something at that point. So basically right now we're making like a lower high right here. So this could be very bearish if we can't hold here and push up. If that $4 area loses support there, look at that dip down to the 4 from drop 30 cents on that one little candle right there. So like I said, that lower high there, that could be deadly for it. And now down there to $4. So it's only 8:50 in the morning. We'll give it a little bit of time. See what happens when the market opens here. But right now you can see how POLA pulled back pretty hard from that 440, kind of retesting, trying to get back up there and then getting smacked back down. But right now that $4 area is holding pretty strong. So we'll see what happens here. Multiple times touching off of that $4 area. We'll give it a little bit of time. And so I guess I wasn't paying attention here. And NETE went from $7 up there to $17 pre-market here. Pretty insane, man. Absolutely insane at this point. Pulling back now from 17 down there to 15. Watching that 1550 area. See if we get a pop. Another pop on this thing. There we go. Look at that push up there above 16 now. Jumping in there for that pullback. Looking for a push above 16. Taking a little bit of profit there. Taking some more. I'm going to ride. Let that 370 ride up there above 17. See if we can get a new high on this thing. Taking a little bit more there. Got 240 shares left. Looking for a push higher. 1750 or more. Letting it ride, baby. Taking a little bit there above 17. Still got 158 shares left. Looking for more. I want more. I want more. He wants more. 1750 touched. A little bit of a pullback. Giving it a little bit of time here. Only got 158 shares left. Let's see if we can't get a squeeze up above 1750 here. I'm going to take it there at 17. Lock it down. That's all we needed right there, baby. Beautiful. It's beautiful for spacious skies, forever waves of red. Oh, that was fun. Literally didn't even see that until I came back. I went to the computer over there. I came back up here to look at the scanner one more time. I saw NETE. I saw it earlier, NETE earlier when it was like down here. It was not even really moving, had no volume on it. It's got 5.4 million shares traded now. And you can see jumping in there, my entry there at the 1546 area and selling most of it up in there in the high $16, $17 area. So that's how we do it. So we went from being red to green to being really green. We went from being red to having some little decent scalps on POLA. And look at us now. Looking beautiful. You can see POLA, like I said, that lower high there just was not good. Not good at all. And then SUNW also selling off. So Couple stocks moving around. SPI also going crazy right now up there at 24. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take my profit. That's a beautiful day. Beautiful day right there. I mean, you cannot complain. You can't complain about a $920 day. You just can't complain about it. So I'm going to take my profit. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm actually going to go kiteboarding. It's really windy out. It's the last day of wind. So I feel pretty good about it. I feel good. Obviously, could have been better. You know, the SUNW trade could have been a lot better. It is what it is. I was trying to ride the momentum. Still got out there for a smaller loss than or bigger loss than I wanted to. And POLA was just kind of like trying to scalp, trying to get that breakout, but just not being able to really get that big move we were looking for. I was hoping for this type of move from like $4 up there to, went all the way to $5.68. So that type of move earlier is what we were looking for, the breakout here. As you can see, look at this. So we got, that trend to get the breakout. And that was kind of what I was hoping to see again here. Get this type of trend and then squeeze maybe up there to that pre-market high and push above pre-market highs. So NETE up there to 1750. I'm going to stay away from it. I don't need to trade it anymore. I really don't. So I'm going to take my profit. And I wasn't even planning on trading today, actually. I was planning on just going right to the beach. But I came home and I saw the POLA trade and I saw stuff going on. So I was like, let me see if I can make a little bit of money. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I'll talk to you guys later on.